Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a suspension revalve on a 2021 KTM 450SXF factory edition. The forks were revalved to the JBI suspension WP AER/Exact Pro Fork kit. This is a kit that upgrades the internal hardware of the WP air fork, and it focuses all on the damping side of the fork. This kit is also sold as a do-it-yourself install kit, where you tell Ride JBI how you ride, and we'll send you the kit all packaged up with the shims already stacked on it, ready to install. Details of the DIY kit and also the service, meaning you send the suspension to Ride JBI, can be found at ridejbi.com. The WP linkage shock was also revalved to a JBI suspension motocross spec to match the front forks. Also upgraded was the shock piston was replaced with the JBI bladder kit on the nitrogen side. The customer provided an extra preload adjuster for making spring preload adjustments quick and easy. As many of you may know, the stock plastic preload collar on these shocks can sometimes be rather challenging to turn and rotate when trying to make spring adjustments. So the X-Trig preload adjuster is a welcomed upgrade by many. If you like Ride JBI to do your own suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.